You have to try out this recipe because it is absolutely delicious. Hi, what's up? In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut cream ndengu, and it's going to be very flavorful from the coconut. I love adding coconut cream or coconut milk in my food, hence the food is usually so delicious. So I hope you stick until the end of the video and learn how to make this coconut cream ndengu. Yeah, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching my video. Yeah, so here I have a pot which has oil already and the oil is getting hot. So I'm going to add onions. So I'm going to saute my onions until soft. If you like browning your onions, it's still okay. Once this is cooked, I'm going to add my crushed garlic and ginger. I'm using 4 cloves of garlic and 1 thumb-sized ginger. Stir. Make sure that it is well mixed with the onions. Then I'll cook this until fragrant. Once everything is ready, I'm going to add 2 tomatoes. Stir. And let the tomatoes cook until soft. And at this point, I'm going to add my spices. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper, salt for seasoning, like half a teaspoon, depends on the amount of ndengu you're cooking. Stir in. By now it's smelling so good from the black pepper. Next I'm going to add 1 stock cube. I'm using beef stock cube. Add this in my pan. Then stir. I wanted to add a little bit of beef flavor in my ndengu, so that's why I added my beef stock, my beef stock cube. So I'm going to cook the tomatoes until soft. If you notice that your tomatoes are burning like mine, they want to burn, you can add a little bit of water so that the tomatoes can cook through. My tomatoes have cooked through. So at this point, I'm going to add my coconut cream. Make sure you get everything from the cup or from the container, whatever you're using. Then I'm going to stir. This looks absolutely amazing. At this point, I just want to dig in with my chapati without the ndengus. Then I'm going to add water. Stir in the water in the coconut sauce. Make sure that all the water is well combined. So I had already pre-boiled my ndengu. Actually, they're from the fridge. So what I did, I just defrosted the ndengus and they're ready to go. Yeah, that is quite a hack. So I'm going to add my ndengus in the sauce. Stir. Make sure the ndengus are covered with the coconut sauce. You can add more water if you notice that the coconut sauce is very thick, so that the ndengu can cook fully submerged in the coconut sauce. Also at this point, I'm going to add my green pepper. Stir in. Then I'll let this come to a boil. So you'll cook ndengu for about 5 minutes because they're already cooked. What you need is the ndengu to soak in the coconut flavor. Yeah. So you don't want to overcook your ndengus because they won't look so pleasing. You know how overcooked ndengu usually looks like. So 5 minutes is enough for cooking your ndengus. I'm going to turn off the heat and serve. There you have it. It's so simple, so easy to prepare with minimal ingredients, and your family will surely enjoy this coconut cream ndengu. So thank you so much for watching, and catch you on my next episode as usual. Bye.